today I'm going to be reviewing the D-94 FirePower, the Wells FirePower Airsoft Air Rifle, electric, no springs. Okay, first off, as you can see, this gun is plastic. This was my first ever airsoft gun, not AEG airsoft gun actually. And pretty good for when I got it. I got it when I was around 11. Decent age for this. I mean, don't need a 400 FPS gun at 11 when I'm playing with my friends, you know. So this gun goes around 200 to 250 with 12 gram BBs. I use 25 gram BBs in it. It probably goes around probably just at 200, so pretty average. Electric, as I said. This clip holds 300 with the little roll up. These two each hold 19. And yeah, let's get this shooting test on the way. Adjust. The only problem I've really had with this gun is sometimes it doesn't shoot all the BBs towards the end, and every now and then the semi-automatic will not work. And when that happens, you just go to fully automatic, shoot it, and then go back to semi, and it works fine. Alright, here's semi. You can see the wind is affecting it. There's some wind right now. It's like sending them up and down. But I'm pretty much hitting the target every time. Oh, look at that wind. Alright, here's fully. You have to roll it a lot. Last semi. So that's my review for the D-94 FirePower Wells electric airsoft rifle. There'll be more in the way.